Good morning, students. Today we will continue our previous chapter, that is cell fundamental unit of life. Cell consists of different cell organelles. What are cell organelles? Cell organelles are subunit of cell. It include nucleus, cytoplasm, mitochondria, lysosomes, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, plastids, cell wall, Golgi apparatus. Various shapes of the cell that already we have studied, that oval shape, branch shape, and now cell organelles, that nucleus. It is very important organelle of the cell, at it regulate all the activity of the cell. And inside the cell there is nucleolus. It is a part of nuclear. It is known as factory of ribosomes. It helps in protein synthesis of the body. So nucleolus, the function is protein synthesis in our body, and it is a factory of ribosomes. Now chromosome, they are the vehicle of gene. What are gene? Gene are a structural and functional unit of DNA. So vehicle of gene means it is present on chromosome. Genes are carried by chromosomes. Genes express our character such as intelligence, height, etc. This nucleus in the diagram that you can see, nucleus, this nucleolus. Now nuclear membrane, it is the outermost layer of the nucleus. It helps in the exchange of material. It contains chromosome. So nuclear membrane that contain chromosome, exchange of material take place, and it is the outermost layer of nucleus. In this diagram we can see that this is nuclear membrane, this cytoplasm, this nucleus, ribosomes, chromosome. Now endoplasmic reticulum, it is located around the nucleus of the cell. So it is just near to the nucleus of the cell. They are large network like structure. It look like long tubules or round on oblong bags, that is vacuole. They are of two type, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The main function of rough ER means that rough endoplasmic reticulum are detoxification of poisonous material and exchange of material. So the function of RER is the site of protein, and they manufacture protein. It consists of many ribosomes, and so the surface is rough. They named after rough endoplasmic reticulum. So due to the presence of ribosomes, they termed as endoplasmic reticulum. Now endoplasmic reticulum that you can see in there, this diagram, and here we can see the rough endoplasmic reticulum, that dotted sign. Now Golgi apparatus. Camillo Golgi, a famous biologist and a scientist, recognized the Golgi body in the nerve cell. They are located in the nerve cell as well as in the every part of the cell. They are in a parallel way. It consists of a system of membrane bound vacuoles around approximately parallel to each other in a stack called nisters. The main function of Golgi body is modification and packaging of the product in the vacuole. It helps in the synthesis of lysosomes. This is the Golgi body. What are lysosomes? They are suicidal bag of the cell. They look like round bodies, consist of digestive enzymes. Lysosomes act as cleaners or sweepers of the cell. Lysosomes act as suicidal bag as they contain a powerful digestive enzyme. This diagram is lysosome. Now thanks for today.